My choosed. Hello, my name is Lorena Lozada. I find myself in the beautiful city in Mexico. My objective of my sweat was time Chichen Itza. Weather, red doyle, and warm climate. West in average temperature of 23 Celsius. The sun is a permanent companion of the orchid Chico Sound. Twists was that temper the high during most of the time. Enjoy the majestic of the Mayan city. Raymond by facing the beautiful pyramid. I'm aware construction and building of West architecture spans the piece the twin coloring. I cut the maniwan now nani what step the tat Tammy has that tool episode A I wonder what let's keep the transport as you said it is the quick plus what we can be seen. Our word insect twist the sport not having access to the technology we have. Now the out mid song open artists up such as Grace Scout. Thank you.